Hi, welcome to the Bariatric Surgery program at the Toronto Western Hospital. I'm here to talk to you about weight loss surgery, also called bariatric surgery. Bariatrics is a branch of medicine that deals with the causes, prevention, and treatment of obesity. This video is divided into 4 parts. If you're watching this video for the first time, we recommend that you watch it in order, but we have organized it so that you may watch them in any order you prefer. Bariatric surgery is covered by OHIP for those who qualify. You must not smoke for at least 6 months before surgery. This includes cigarettes, e-cigarettes, cigars, pipes, and cannabis. Remember, bariatric surgery is not a miracle. It is a tool to help you lose weight. It means making a major lifestyle change, including staying smoke-free, eating healthy, and doing regular exercise. We know that you will have questions. As we go along, write them down so you can ask one of our clinicians in person afterwards.